What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Mazda Monday Part 2, and in today's video we are going to be installing the Cork Sport license plate relocation kit. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so here we are. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove your factory OEM bracket. Now as you can see here, I already removed it because when I bought the car, it was the first thing I did. I removed it because I love the way it looks without a license plate. But in Texas, we have to have a front license plate, but it looks really dumb right here in the middle of the grill. So with this Cork Sport license plate relocation kit, it's going to move the whole bracket over to this corner right here. So that way we still get a nice looking grill and still be legal at the same time. First thing you're going to do is remove these two bolts, pull those out, your plastic frame pulls right out. And so now we left with these two exposed holes right here. And what we're going to do is take a fourth drill bit and expand these holes, because Cork Sports actually provided us with some plugs to plug up these holes, because it's always been an eyesore ever since I took it off. Just these two bullet holes right here. They have these two plastic plugs right here that we're going to put right in these two little holes to cover them up, make it look clean, make it actually look uniform. It's not perfect. You can definitely see that there's a plug there, but it looks a lot better than just an exposed hole. So that's what it'll look like with the plug in. As you can see here, this is what it looks like without the plug. Now it doesn't look 100% better, but it's a lot better than looking at this bullet hole. So we're gonna put the other plug in and then we'll move on to the next step. So now what we have to do is remove the tow hook cover. Now let's play some I Spy. Where do you see it? It's in this vicinity. Now I did not know that this was here until I actually got up and close and personal and looked at it. If you guessed right here, you're correct. Yeah, if you can kind of see right here, it's extremely hidden. This is really cool by Mazda. They have it like completely integrated into the grille. This is the cover right here. So what you're gonna do is take a flathead screwdriver, put it right here at the top. There's a little opening, press down and pull, and there you go. That gives you access to the tow hook hole. Take the provided tow hook screw from Cork Sport and we're going to install that. All we're going to do is slide in there. And so now what we're going to do is take our 17 mil socket and just tighten it down. So with that tightened down, 45 foot-pounds, we're going to take the provided 19 millimeter bolt. We're going to take a washer, stick that on there, and then tighten that through. Now don't tighten this all the way around. What the bracket's going to do is kind of slide right in there, and then once you got it lined up perfectly, you're going to tighten everything down. Here's the bracket right here. So as you can see, it slides right in just like that, and you can have it higher, you could have it lower, just depends on where you want it. So now once you found where you want it, all you're going to do is take your 19 and just start tightening it down. And so now what you're going to do is take your leveling tool and make it as straight as possible. Right there, looks perfect. And that's pretty much it, guys. After you got it leveled, looking nice where you want it, you're going to take the provided 4 screws, put your license plate on, put the 4 screws in, and that's it. You're good to go. We got it all finished up and everything. I wanted to reuse the cap, so what I went ahead and did, I went off camera and I dremeled out a hole, as you can see here. So instead of having this giant gaping hole right here, we stick it on here like that and just like that. So it gives us a much cleaner look, in my opinion. And that's the install complete, guys. This took me maybe about 10-15 minutes at the most. Pretty simple mod. It cleans up the look in front of your car rather than having the license plate right here in the middle. You got it off to the side because JDM, bro. JDM. Nothing says you're a car guy like having a license plate relocation kit. So with all that said, guys, I hope this helped you. We will see you in the next Mazda Monday. Peace out.